Hey guys, in this video we are going to create a DatePicker fragment or dialog in Android. I'll quickly show you what we are going to make in this video. As you can see, we can select the date and the text view will change to that date. And we can also change the format of the date, and the language of the date is also specific to the Android system we are using. So I'll quickly create a new Android Studio project and I'll show you how to create this. As you can see, I have created a new project. This project only has a new single activity and its layout. So I will create the layout for this activity. I will change this constraint layout to relative layout for simplicity and increase the size. I will give this text box text view an ID text view, and I will position it below text view. Also center horizontal to. Let's give it a text set and an ID also button. Okay, so we are done with the layout. So for DatePicker fragment, we also need to create a new class that will return as a dialog, or you can say the fragment. So I'll quickly create a new class, DatePicker fragment, I'll call it. Sorry for the spelling. Now this class will extend dialog fragment and Control O. I'll override one method here on create dialog. And instead of returning the we will return a custom dialog here. So firstly, we'll need some variables. I'll quickly tell you why we're using this. So val c is equals to calendar dot get instance. Month, day, and this will be calendar dot month. This will be day of the month, and we'll return DatePicker fragment or DatePicker dialog. We'll use activity and another. I'll cast this as DatePicker. I'll tell you why we did this, and we need to pass these fields now: year, month, and day. Okay. So what we did here is we created an instance of calendar. The whole purpose of this is that when the dialog will be shown to the user, that dialog should show the current date. Okay. So now we'll extend this class from DatePicker dialog dot. So that's why we casted that context as DatePicker so that we can use that fragment in this class. I will quickly override this method. Now this method will get triggered as soon as the user clicks on the date, checks the date. Okay. So what we'll do here is this is where we need to set the text view. After these arguments have all the date that user has set, so we'll fetch that date and we'll convert that to string and we'll return. Okay, we'll return nothing. So we'll see. We'll again need to get the instance, and here c dot set year, comma month, comma day of month, and now we have the selected date is equals to date format dot get date instance dot format c dot time. Now this is in this argument we can pass to change the format of the date. So we have the selected date. Now we just need to set our text view to it. So text view dot set dot text is in Kotlin selected date. Okay. So also we need to create on-click listener for our button dot set on-click listener, and this we'll create an instance of our DatePicker fragment here, where a new fragment is equals to DatePicker fragment, and new fragment dot show, and we'll pass here support fragment manager from any tag. Let's pass DatePicker. Okay, so this should work.